So I just wanted to make a quick video on this ratchet I just picked up for work from Harbor Freight. Item number 62333, 3/8 inch drive, long handle flex head ratchet, and these are still made in Taiwan. Seems like a lot of the decent ratchets nowadays, at least bang for the buck type quality, are at least happen to be made in Taiwan, so it's kind of got that going for it. I have seen these. I haven't picked up this particular type of Pittsburgh ratchet, but from what I've seen already, they seem to be pretty decent quality. The machining that's on them is really good. The head is nice and slim. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the floppy head ratchets. However, this one seems to be pretty tight still. So we'll see if it loosens up. But when they start, flopping back and forth every time you move it around, that's when it kind of gets irritating for me. This one hopefully won't do that. And if it does, hopefully I can just tighten it up. But seems to be pretty good for the money. The handle on these, I have had this handle on other Pittsburgh or Harbor Freight tools, and I don't really have any issues with it. It depends on the tool, but some of them I am a fan of not having a comfort grip on them at all. But these, I think they're going to be okay. It's got 72 teeth. Sounds good. So we'll have to see how it works out, but I hope to at least get a good amount of use out of this. It is an 18-inch long ratchet, and that was actually the selling point for me. I did need a longer ratchet, so that's what I picked up. And it was $21 and change with a 25% off coupon for the holiday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and stay tuned for more. You all stay classy.